Building mobile prototypes from scratch takes forever. OMINI Mobile Widget Library gives you 72 high-fidelity pages and over 300 components, all built for Axure RP. 8 comprehensive sections cover every mobile design need. Overall styles for colors, typography, and shadows. Basic components like buttons and dividers. Navigation bars, tab bars, and step indicators. Data entry with inputs, pickers, switches, and search fields. Data display including avatars, carousels, tags, and progress bars. Operational feedback with dialogues, toasts, and loading states. Every component is pixel perfect. Multiple button styles with primary, success, warning, and disabled states. Complete form controls including checkboxes, radios, date pickers, and sliders. 9 chart types from histograms and line charts to radar and heat maps. Real mobile interaction patterns with pull to refresh, swipe actions, and share sheets. 72 pages of production-ready mobile design. A unified design system with consistent colors, typography, and spacing. 63 component types covering every mobile use case. High-fidelity interactions that feel like a real app. Get the OMINI Mobile Widget Library today for just $99. Visit AxureBoutique.com and start prototyping your mobile app now.